Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. I am here with my today's video and the topic of the day is past perfect continuous tense, that is the last aspect of past tense. It is used to show that an activity was in progress before another activity in the past over a period of time. I'll explain this definition with the help of this condition. I started teaching in that institute in 2019. A new teacher joined the same institute in 2022. When she joined, I had been teaching there for 3 years. So, my activity was in progress before she joined the same institute. Another condition is here. He got admission in English language class in January 2009. It is 2024 now. In January 2016, he had been learning English for 8 years since 2009. You can take both the conditions for 8 years or since 2009. Then helping verb for past perfect continuous tense is had been. It will be used both with singular subjects and plural subjects. The Urdu identification is same as past continuous tense, that in the end of the sentences you will have raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi. But time is must and use of since and for is also important. Now for is used for period or duration of time. For example, 4 hours, 2 days, 3 years, etc. That is not specified. And since is used for exact point of time. For example, morning, evening, 2 a.m., 5 p.m., Monday, April, childhood, beginning of course, etc. Now it's time for sentence structure, and positive sentence structure is that it takes the subject first, then use of helping verb had plus been plus present participle verb ing plus object plus use of since and for. For example, she had been living in this house since 2014. वो इस घर में 2014 से रह रही थी. They had been waiting for the teacher for 2 hours. वो उस्ताद का इंतज़ार 2 घंटों से कर रहे थे या वो 2 घंटों से उस्ताद का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. I had been studying since morning. मैं सुबह से पढ़ रही थी. He had been attending the class for 4 hours. वो 4 घंटों से जमात ले रहा था. The negative sentence structure is subject plus had plus not plus been plus present participle verb ing plus object plus use of since and for. For example, she had not been playing since morning. They had not been studying for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटों से नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. You had not been responding since Monday. आप पीर से जवाब नहीं दे रहे थे. I had not been reading for 20 minutes. मैं 20 मिनट से नहीं पढ़ रहा था. Then interrogative positive sentence structure is use of had plus subject plus been plus verb ing object since for and at the end question mark. For example, had she been working on the project since 2022? क्या वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट पर 2022 से काम कर रही थी? Had they been arranging the party for 1 day? क्या वो एक दिन से पार्टी के इंतज़ामात कर रहे थे? Had your sister been painting since morning? क्या आपकी बहन सुबह से पेंटिंग कर रही थी? Had he been playing guitar for 4 hours? क्या वो 4 घंटे से गिटार बजा रहा था? Then sentence structure for negative interrogative sentences. Use of had, then subject, then not and been, plus verb ing, object, use of since and for, and then question mark. Had she not been completing the assignment since Monday? क्या वो पीर से अपना assignment मुकम्मल नहीं कर रही थी? Had they not been appearing for the exam for 2 years? Had my brother not been traveling since 2 a.m.? क्या मेरा भाई सुबह के 2 बजे से सफ़र नहीं कर रहा था? Then information question. Positive sentence structure is WH word plus had plus subject plus been plus verb ing object that is optional use of since for and then question mark. Why had she been waiting for her friend for 4 hours? वो 4 घंटों से अपनी दोस्त का इंतज़ार क्यों कर रही थी? Where had they been working since 2019? वो 2019 से कहाँ काम कर रहे थे. How had they been performing since 2 a.m. वो सुबह के 2 बजे से कैसे काम कर रहे थे. Now negative information questions. WH word plus had plus subject plus not been plus verb ing plus object since for and then question mark. Why had she not been preparing for exams since 4 o'clock? वो 4 बजे से क्यों इम्तिहान की तैयारी नहीं कर रही थी. Why hadn't they been enjoying the party since evening? वो शाम से पार्टी से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ क्यों नहीं हो रहे थे. Why had they not been completing the assignment for 2 weeks? वो 2 हफ्ते से अपना काम क्यों नहीं मुकम्मल कर रहे थे. Where hadn't he been going since 1 p.m? वो 1 बजे से कहाँ नहीं जा रहा था. So this was all about past perfect continuous tense. I hope you all have viewed the previous videos of past tense. Just go for your practice and then give me your feedback. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.